So yesterday I made some visual upgrades to the 1D Dash game, my one-dimensional game I released on the App Store this week. And it's basically adding like a pixelated like font. So yeah, and then I had some Game Center code that I was working on, but I just kind of commented out for now. Still trying to figure it out a little bit, getting challenges in and recurring leaderboards. What else? There's something else. There's like two or three, a couple other things I was working on adding, but I didn't get those added yet. Yeah, so that's the progress I made yesterday. Not a whole lot. Also had some stuff come up, and which is good stuff. But I might be doing some other little bit of extra work on some other projects. So I think for now I'm kind of expand on Game Center code and work on taking what I currently have, which is kind of for 1 and 2 dimensional games, and expand on that. Like I was going to work on that Steamboat Jump game. I'm looking at possibly making my next game mid-February be a 2-dimensional game. Same gameplay mechanics as Steamboat Jump, but possibly different because I'm really slow at art, and the art from my one-dimensional game I got from Kinney, whatever, whatever. It's CC0, so public domain art, and that makes it easier because I'm not the greatest artist. So I was looking at some of their other stuff, and I thought, kind of like this little pixel pack they have, but I don't like, or they didn't really have characters. So I was like, could I pull off pixel art for characters and then use their environment stuff and then make a pixel art one-tap platformer like I was showing. You can see like in my community post, like the one talking about different screen sizes, or if you play like Super Mario Run, it's basically that. So that's what I'm looking at Game Center code and thinking about what I need to make in February. So yeah, nothing too exciting, but maybe tomorrow I'll have some Game Center stuff. Leave a comment if, and I know some of you are working on games, but I don't know. I feel like most of you are using different platforms, so I don't know how useful this is. And I don't want to do a whole bunch of like full-blown tutorials yet because that takes a while. But there's a little things I'm doing here and there. I'm like, I could make this in a very short time, so it wouldn't take up too much of my time, but they could be handy. I don't know. But I don't know, like code stuff right now, my art skills are still questionable. But I still want to eventually get better at Blender. I feel like 3D sometimes is a little easier than 2D, so let me know. And until next time, keep on playing games. I don't know.